Now, when you start using your electric screwdriver or your electric drill as a screwdriver, you're going to need a good bit kit. And this is one of the ones that I found that works the best. And when you start telling me that, oh yes, I'm missing 2 bits, well, I've got a project going on now and I just didn't bring the bits over. But this keeps them all together, and it kind of reminds you, or it should, and for me that's been a challenge, that you can keep everything all together, because nothing's worse than having a bunch of bits jumbling around with a screwdriver in a tray or in a drawer. And this also, because it's a closed case, will fit in very well with the zipper bag of their gyroscopically controlled screwdriver or any of their other implements. That way you've got everything all in a nice case and you're ready to go. So this is something well worth taking a look at, and I think you'll be happy with it, because I know it's been pretty handy for me.